Hi, my name's Emily and I'm the Marketing Manager here at Sourcebook. In this video, I'm going to give you a top-level overview of our mood board tool and show you the basics of how to create a mood board and use some of the features within it. To create a mood board, click on Create a Mood Board button on the top right-hand corner or via the button on the homepage gallery. Our mood board tool on desktop has a drag and drop interface technology, making it really quick and easy to create your perfect space. On our mobile tool version, it has a tap and add to your board interface, making it easy for on the go. For today's video, we'll be demonstrating the mood board tool on desktop. To start creating your mood board, drag and drop your desired products on the mood board canvas like so. You can resize the product by using the handles and rotate the product via the rotate handle. The first tab on the left is Products, and this houses all of the products available from your product library, which you can use on your mood board. You can search products by keyword, category, and via retailer or brand. Other filtering options include price and colour. Our next tab is Paint and Finishes, which has all of the paint swatches, tiles, cladding, bricks, surfaces, and more for your mood board. While you are making your mood board, you can flick to the product list to view your full list of products and more details about them in your mood board. Then click back to View Mood Board tool to go back to the canvas. Saved Products houses all of your wishlist folders. Text is a great way to add some more detail to your mood board, such as the project name or words that describe the style or feeling of the mood board. Our Upload Images tab is where you can upload any images that you'd like to add to your mood board. The next tab allows you to connect to your Pinterest account and use your inspirational images within your design. Saved Images holds all of your uploaded images that you've used in your previous mood boards. And finally, Product Tags. This feature generates tags for descriptors such as product name, retailer, brand, and price. If you'd like this in your mood board, select which fields you'd like to include in the tags and click Generate. Once you're happy with your mood board, click Save. Add in the title of your mood board, such as your project name, and some keywords to describe the board. Thank you for watching this overview of the mood board tool. For more details on some of the sections that we've showcased in this video, such as text, wish lists, uploading images, and Pinterest integration, please see our separate videos on these.